What's up everyone, Dr. Max here again with PhysioForge. Today I want to talk about something a little bit different, and it is the skill, the art of bracing your spine independent of your breathing. So people figure out typically pretty quick how to pick up a near maximal load, get really tight and brace, and do the heavy thing once, right? A skill that's a little harder to develop, takes more time to refine, is moving the moderate weight load for a longer duration and still keeping some tension and support around your spine by bracing your core. One of two things typically happens. People that won't do this correctly, they'll still try and brace with the moderate weight thing, so think like a wall ball or a moderate weight deadlift just done for higher volume. They brace, they don't breathe, and they kind of blow up. You get your heart rate out of control. It's very self-limiting and not quite as dangerous. The more dangerous version, I think, is you'll continue to move the moderate weight thing and you'll breathe but not brace at all. So that sets yourself up for all sorts of problems. What we're going to look at is one of my favorite drills, I think, to self-assess and self-correct for that problem, and it's a motor control plank. Now you can either do that in forearm position or in push-up position. Either one's fine. I like the push-up because you get a little bit of a pump going at the same time, but either way is fine, and this is what it's going to look like. We're going to get into the top of our plank. We're going to brace everything, so quads, butts, and guts, they're going to be super tight, and I want to go through near full capacity breaths and see how many I can get in. See where I break down. Do I start to lose shape? Do I start to sag? Am I not able to do that for, say, 1, 5, or 6 breaths? A good litmus test or a barometer start would be 20. 20 breaths looking something like this. Top of the position. Squeezing everything tight, brace. And just something like that. Use that to prep for those moderate weight loads, get an idea, and again, like I said, kind of a barometer to see where you're at with that skill. And if you're not quite hitting the mark, like I said, 20 full capacity breaths while maintaining a good shape is a pretty good jumping off point to at least demonstrate you have the concept. And give it a try. Either assess where you're at and make corrections if you're not quite hitting the mark, or use that to confirm and just further refine the skill of bracing independent of your breathing. It'll make everything a lot better. So, as always, thanks for watching.